Mumbai, May 4. Sunrisers Hyderabad, SRH, have signed Sushant Mishra as replacement for medium pacer Saurabh Dubey for the Indian Premier League, IPL, 2022. Dubey has a back injury and has been ruled out for the rest of the tournament. Sushant Mishra is a young 21-year-old left-arm medium pacer from Ranchi. He has played 4 first-class matches and picked 13 wickets. He will join SRH at the price of 20 lakh Indian rupees. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.